Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to work on your own terms, from anywhere, making more than enough to thrive. And what if I told you there's a straightforward business model that requires no experience, just a few hours each week, and can reliably bring in $300 to $500 per client per month? This method has worked for hundreds of people, and I'm here to show you exactly how it works. No strings attached. Let's get into it step by step so you can start seeing results with this business model right away. Step 1. Understanding the missed opportunity. Most small businesses, from plumbers and electricians to hairstylists and massage therapists, are great at what they do but often struggle with missed calls. Studies show that 62% of incoming calls to small businesses go unanswered. When potential customers call and get no response, they quickly move on to the next business, meaning lost revenue for the business owner. That's where we come in. Step 2. The service we provide. Automated missed call text back. The solution we're offering is called the missed call text back service. With this service, if a potential customer calls a business and nobody answers, our software automatically sends a personalized text message. For example, it might say, "Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help?" This text keeps the conversation open, encouraging potential customers to stay engaged with that business instead of moving on. Here's the great part. Setting this up is simple, requires no tech skills, and takes only a couple of minutes. Step 3. Setting up the Google Business Profile. To begin, we link the business's Google My Business profile to the software. Most businesses already have this profile set up for local SEO, but we'll guide them through connecting it to our platform. Here's how. Ask the business owner to log into their Google My Business account. Once they're in, have them click to connect their account to our system. This connection lets the software pull in the business's contact details and other relevant info. From here, head to Settings, scroll down, and enable Missed Call Text Back. Once this is set up, if anyone calls and no one is available to pick up, a text will automatically be sent out, keeping that potential customer engaged. Step 4. Using the ROI calculator to make sales easier. Now, let's talk about how we show business owners the real value of this service. We use something called the Missed Call ROI calculator, a simple tool to show the potential earnings they're leaving on the table by missing calls. Here's how to use it. Ask the owner for basic numbers: average value per customer, estimated missed calls per week, and their typical close rate for calls. For instance, if their average customer is worth $500 and they estimate missing 20 calls weekly with a close rate of 35%, the calculator will show how much potential income is being lost. Calculate the ROI for it. Based on the inputs, you might show that they're losing out on around $200 monthly in potential revenue. When you tell them that for only $300 per month they can capture this revenue, it becomes a no-brainer for them to sign up. Step 5. Setting up an AI-powered conversation system. The next part of the process is using AI to automate replies to common questions. This AI bot can handle responses without the business owner or you needing to intervene. And here's how you set it up. Copy the business's website URL and paste it into our AI bot training system. The AI scans the site to learn details like services, location, and hours. This ensures that the AI can respond accurately to questions based on the business's own information. Add custom responses for frequent questions. Most small businesses get the same inquiries like, "What services do you offer?" or "What are your hours?" Adding these in takes a few minutes, and now the AI can handle these questions automatically. Once set up, the AI will reply to customers who respond to the missed call text back with questions, allowing them to book appointments or get the info they need without the business owner having to do a thing. Step 7. Booking clients and growing your income. Once the missed call, text back, and AI systems are running, you'll have a powerful, low-maintenance service that you can replicate for multiple clients, even with just 5 clients at $300 each. That's $1,500 in recurring monthly income. The beauty of this model is that it's affordable for clients compared to traditional marketing agencies, so they're likely to stick with you long-term. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.